In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly save any image from Google Sheets to your computer without any hassle. Start by opening your Google Sheet and locating the image you want to download. Click on the image so you can see the selection border around it. This confirms you've selected the correct picture. Now here's the key trick. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and while holding it, right-click on the image. This unlocks your browser's default menu instead of Google Sheets menu. From that menu, click Save Image As. Your browser will then ask where you want to save the file. Choose your folder, rename the image if needed, and click Save. Your image is now downloaded and ready to use anywhere you want, whether it's for a presentation, report, or another project. If the option doesn't appear, make sure you're holding the Shift key before right-clicking, because that's what makes this method work.